Hello there people, welcome to the first vlog of HTRZ Artistry, and guess what we are doing today is we are working on the big machine, that is the Street Triple 675 that is standing right here, and we are going to be changing the chain sprocket of the Street Triple out here. So basically this is the chain sprocket out here, and this is our guy Sharad working on the big machine out here. So you can actually see the condition of the chain out here, what is the condition, and it doesn't look pretty good. So now because of this, the customer of the bike is actually dropping in a lot of performance, as well as he's having a lot of chain disturbance, chain noise, and he's not at all satisfied. So what we thought is we'll be upgrading this into something more better than the stock. So we have planned on installing the JT sprocket and the DID chain kit. So this is the beautiful sprockets out here. This is the DID chain that is actually brass plated. The main advantage of the DID brass plated chains are that these are O-ring chain and they are completely molded. Apart from the brass plated coating out here, you can see another link that is already molded inside for the better performance, as well as it is noise reduction and noise free too. And coming up for the sprockets, we have the JT sprocket, that is a complete international brand which is made of complete carbon steel, and the edges of these are all metal coated and they are like properly furnished out here. You can just see it. These can give you better sharpness of the chain and you won't have any slippery gear shifting issues in this. So the man out here, he's right working there, trimming off this old stock sprocket. So let's see how the old sprocket looks, and this is a rear sprocket out here, and this is the brand new sprocket from the JT, and this is the stock one. You can have a closer look at both the products out here. Both consist of 47 teeths, but the best part, the material difference, and this has better quality than the stock ones. So basically these JT sprockets are available for all premium bikes like the super bikes like Kawasaki's, then the Ducatis, and you have the BMWs, etc, etc, etc. And you can see the GB sprocket of the JT that has already been installed out here. Have a closer look. And these aren't as expensive as the original stock ones, but they are way too better than the stock sprockets. You can count on me for that. You can anytime drop into HTRZ Artistry for more inquiries about that, or you can visit our Instagram page or the HTRZ Artistry or the HTRZ Mods Bangalore, or you can directly drop into our location that is in BTM layout second stage nearby Alliance College, or you can go to the HTRZ Mods Bangalore that is also in BTM. You can get our contact numbers below in the descriptions. So finally the installation of the JT sprocket and the DID chain has been completed, and you can have a look at it right here, right on the Street Triple, that is a Street Triple 675. How beautiful it looks. So installing this sprocket isn't a very messy thing, but yeah, it is a little complicated. You guys just need the right tools to work on this. And the basic tools required are a 36-inch ratchet bit, the L rod, that is a ratchet rod also you can call it as, then you need a 14 size bit rod. I'll tell you for what those are used. 36 size bit rod and the ratchet bit is used to open up the GB sprocket lock. Then you need the 14 size bit to open up the rear sprockets nuts out here, and then you need the normal tools like the screwdrivers, then the hammers, then the pliers, so that you can connect back the links out here. Basically how this works is, first you go with the GB sprocket, then the rear sprocket, and then you install this drive chain. So this is how the DID chain actually looks on the Triumph Street Triple. I'm pretty much sure the customer is going to be very happy with this performance the chain sprocket is going to give him. So the installation is complete. The vlog for today, I hope you guys might have liked it. So if you have liked it, do like, share, comment, subscribe to everything possible. Make sure, if you need more views on more other bikes, what are all the products you want to know, how it has been installed or learned, how products has to be know, comment it down below and let us know what you guys want more.